Sit down.
I passed out at the Tom Petty concert last night. It just stayed.
No. Leave it. Leave it.